And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to paint a galaxy using pencil watercolors. Yes, pencil watercolors. These are same as the pencil colors, but these colors are water soluble and are great if you are not comfortable with watercolors. Things we need are pencil watercolors. I'm using Faber-Castell's pencil watercolors as they are smooth and slides on the paper easily. Need our brushes, a A4 size paper. I'm using the normal ivory sheet. Before starting coloring it, you can draw any figure of your choice or simply any shape like circle, square or rectangle or any other shape you want. I have drawn a girl's face. First we'll color the sides with darker shades of blue and purple, and then we'll gradually move in the middle with lighter shades and then pink and red. I planned my drawing in this color pattern. You can do in any way. The main thing to keep in mind is to use a little pressure on these pencils so as to deposit more color on the paper. The more darker the color, the more closer you are to perfection. Now take your brush and dip it in water. Using small strokes, just try to blend the colors. After blending it, just put little drops of water on it and let it dry. If colors on painting look little light, just layer it up with another coat, or this time you can use poster colors also. Now dip your brush in white poster color and tap it with another brush. This will help in making multiple shining stars for the universe. these are some different patterns using the same technique. Thank you for watching.